I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today, I think we're at 96 degrees Fahrenheit currently in New York City. So if you hear like a dull sound in the background, like a roll, I have my air conditioning going. So I tried to do it without, but it just wasn't happening. So we're just gonna dive in here and do the best we can. And in case you weren't sure where you're at, my name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day and your schedule to join me on my latest video. And today I'm going to be checking into and unboxing the latest Allure beauty box for July 2021. What you see in here is this little magic number, and this is from Ciate, London. This is the Trend Palette Bronzed. This retails for $24. Ooh. Sleek pink compact, houses a perfect lineup of 9 warm shadows, with impressive color payoff. So let's see what it looks like inside. I believe I've received something in the past from Ciate, and it was very pretty. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay. How it looks like a pale pink. It's very pretty. Oh wow, see this is how the colors look. Those look astonishing and gorgeous. I can't wait to try these. Here it is. It's from Able Skincare, anti-aging retexturing and resurfacing duo moisturizer, and this is it's like 50 ml, which is 1.69 fluid ounces. I wonder what the price of this is. I don't know if this is full size. It's gonna be a deluxe size. This goes for $132 US. Shea butter and cottonseed oil, niacinamide, and lactic acid. So this is something that probably calms the skin as well. Definitely gonna try. It's just amazing that the price tag is at $132 US. I'm almost afraid to use it. But this is the whole point of subscription boxes, to try things that you ordinarily wouldn't try, because maybe A, there's no sample sizes that are free, and 2, who has $132 lying around for skincare? Let's see how it looks real quick. Okay, that's interesting. I don't notice a scent right away on this, but it does go into the skin pretty fast. There is a slight perfume to it. So if you're not into scents in your formulas for skincare, this may not be for you. $132. That is incredible. Never heard of the company before, so that's another plus, getting to try skincare brands that I normally have either never heard or never tried. So I like that. What's the next thing on here? La Roche-Posay. I always say this wrong. This brand. This is the Hyaluro Serum V5 Concentrate. So I'm wondering what this does. I'm gonna look here. A glow-inducing serum. It has B5, hyaluronic acid, and it's something for serious moisture and a dewy, plump look. Apply right after toner on the face, and if you have a little bit over, or maybe on the chest area, let it sink for a few seconds and continue the routine. Now for a 30 ml bottle, it's $29.99, which is reasonably priced. This is obviously a sample size. Now it's supposed to be a serum, so it's like the drop style. But in this case, it comes in this cute little travel size things. That's good. And it's already open, so that's something. Just gonna, ooh, it's definitely a serum. It has that gooey, milky texture. It almost feels like that stuff that you use to make that glass skin look. Very dewy and it has a scent. So this is nice. Put it on both sides of my It smells expensive considering the price tag. Okay, next in here is something for the brows. Ooh, I love to have my eyebrows groomed. So this is really cute. Here's the packaging right here. And this is from where? Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And this goes for $16 US. And you can find this at Ulta. Ooh, Winky Lux. I think I have 1 or 2 products of theirs, like their whipped primer, which is pretty good. And I think I might have even one of their eyeshadow palettes, but I'm not sure. But I don't have their brow one, so this is nice. And it's double-ended, I guess. So it has the product on one side and the spoolie on the other. So I'm definitely holding on to this. I'm loving the packaging on here. Very purple-esque. And then they show you the different eyeshadow payoffs. I don't use brow pomade or gel or any kind of tint to the eyebrows, so just beautiful packaging, just beautiful. I guess this side is the spoolie. Yeah, that's the spoolie. Feels nice. It doesn't feel overly scratchy. And here's where the product is. So I guess you like lift it out of here. There you go. I wonder how much product there is in here. I guess that'll last somebody a while. Let me just do that real quick. I don't want to have it too far up. I just want to see how it looks going on. Let's see if I can. I don't know if you can see that. It's very light. But then again, this is stuff that's really supposed to go on the hairs and cling to it. So I like that. That's really neat. I use the spoolie side anyway. Just because I like to have my brows looking groomed and not looking like a mess. So I will definitely be using the spoolie side. This is called Allure. A-C-U-R-E Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Ooh, it's a cute little package here. This goes for $19.99 and they do have a website, allure.com. And this is their Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask, right? Okay. Summer in mask form, they call it. The sheer illuminating mist reminds the editors of the watermelon jello in the jar. Light pink and bouncy, feels cool and refreshing going on. Ooh. Let's just see. Remember, it has vitamin C, so you may not want to keep this out in the sun. But yeah, so it has that pink kind of watermelon color. And here's the little lid. Oh, okay. So there you can see that. Ooh, very jelly-like. Ooh. And it's almost like the serum in a way. That same kind of texture with the serum. It has a slight scent, not too overpowering, but it's nice. You see it? It's like almost like a gel. Very cooling. I guess you put this in the fridge. Be nice and soothing on the face. Definitely want to try this. It's a jelly mask. I like that. Oh, and I think I have one more thing in here. What is this? This is the Gardener's Spiced Honey Bath Syrup. A bath syrup? Really? Wow, okay. So let's see what it says. So there was a choice here about which one you would get. And this is from Crabtree and Evelyn. And the one that they sent me, there's two different ones that they could have sent me. And the one they sent me, I think it's the Spiced Honey Bath Serum, which comes in that lovely jar like that. Then they had the other one that was rose, but I got the honey one. Which is okay, that's fine. Have you ever found yourself in a marble soaking tub? No, I have not. Hot water and steam mixing with spa quality body lotion and massage oil condensing into the humid atmosphere of your own private rainforest glade? No, me neither, but that sounds amazing and not too far off from a recent experience I've had with this bath syrup. It looks decadent, smells amber sweet, and turns every bath into a special occasion. Spa days ahead. The price tag for this is $35 US, and you can buy it at the crabtreeevelyn.com website. So it wouldn't exactly look like this, it would look more like that. Let's see, I don't know if it's open down here. Oh yeah, it does have a protective seal, which is good. I'm just going, oh, will I be able? I definitely smell the honey. Let's see. Look at that. And it has like the texture of honey too. Nice. So I'll put that like so, and you can see it there. Ooh, you can see it there. Isn't that beautiful? It definitely has the texture of honey, and it has the smell of honey, but because there's like a spice flavor to it, so it's sort of like having, you know, in the winter when you have the hot the hot cider drinks that it has the piece of cinnamon in it, and some people sometimes drop the honey. That's what it initially smells like. Then the scent really kicks in. So if you're not someone who's into any kind of fragrance, whether, you know, homey or spicy or exotic, this won't be for you, but I am loving it. I could totally see this in a spa experience. That smells so good. This month's Allure Beauty Box selection, I would have to say pretty darn good. First of all, skincare, priority. Got it. Eyeshadow palette, pleasantly surprised, love it. A brow pencil kind of concoction, interesting. I'm more interested in the spoolie than the actual like product, so, because I'm not a brow product girl, but I like the spoolie. It did make my eyebrows look a little neater. Again, the skincare, just blown away by the selection of skincare. I'm pleasantly surprised. Especially surprised at the price tag for this. So it's a hot summer and these products are being utilized and being really put to the test. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of my Allure unboxing. Are you an Allure subscriber? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe you got something a little different. I don't know. Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me and taking time of your day, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.